Students, today Geography Unit 4 Resources and Industries continuation. Listen here carefully, students. Conventional energy sources. Conventional energy sources, otherwise known as non-renewable energy. Non-renewable energy. Non-renewable energy. First one, thermal power. Thermal power generated from the use of fossil fuels like coal, diesel, petroleum and natural gas. National Thermal Power Corporation was established in 1975. National Thermal Power Corporation. National Thermal Power Corporation was established in 1975. The mostly thermal power production in our country are Assam, Bihar, Jharkhand and Tamil Nadu. Yes, listen here students. Thermal power energy or use of fossil fuels like coal, diesel, petroleum and natural gas. National Thermal Power Corporation was established during the period of 1975. The thermal power production mostly in our country regions are Assam, Bihar, Jharkhand and Tamil Nadu. Next one, nuclear power. Nuclear power generated from the minerals of uranium and thorium. Minerals of uranium, thorium. Nuclear power generations. Nuclear power productions was started in 1940. Nuclear power production. Nuclear power production or started in 1940. Tata Atomic Research Corporation. Tata Atomic Research Corporation was established in 1948. Tata Atomic Research Corporation was established in 1948. The first nuclear power station set up at Tarapur near Mumbai. It was established in 1969. First nuclear power station was established in 1969 at Tarapur near Mumbai. The nuclear power productions in our country were initially in Tarapur 320 megawatts were produced. Nuclear power generations 320 megawatt were produced. In our country, the nuclear power generation areas are Rawatbata, Kota in Rajasthan, Kalpakkam and Kudangalam in Tamil Nadu, Kalpakkam and Kudangalam in Tamil Nadu, Narora in Uttar Pradesh, Narora in Uttar Pradesh, Kaiga in Karnataka, nuclear power generation mostly produced in these areas. Kaiga in Karnataka and Kakapara in Gujarat. These areas more and more nuclear power generated. Next one, non-conventional energy resources. Non-conventional energy resources, otherwise known as renewable energy resources. First one, hydropower. Hydropower generation is generated from the water and converted into hydroelectricity. Hydropower generation generated from water and converted into hydroelectricity. And it was harnessed from running water also. And hydropower electricity was generated in the global wide. More and more productions were made. 7% global wide generated hydropower generation. The hydropower generation cost is very low. Making a hydropower generation cost is very low, and it is one of the renewable energy. Hydropower is one of the renewable energy. National Hydropower Corporation. National Hydropower Corporation. National Hydropower Corporation located in Faridabad in our country. It is hydropower power generated in the rivers in Assam. The rivers of in Assam, the rivers is the Brahmaputra, and other rivers also the hydropower generated, and Andhra Pradesh, Manipur, Western Ghats, Ganga and Indus. These rivers also the hydropower generated. In these rivers also noted. Then solar energy. Solar energy generated from the sunlight and converted into electricity. We can get either directly using a photovoltaic like that. We can get the electricity generated from sunlight, and it is one more and more electricity generated from the solar power. And thermal energy production, use of domestic purpose and also industrial purpose. More and more solar energy were used for, thermal energy was used for domestic purpose and industrial purpose. More and more energy were used. And solar power energy used for water heaters, refrigerators, street lighting, cooking, etc. And these water heaters, refrigerators, street lights and cooking purpose, the solar energy were used. The solar energy mostly generated in our country are Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Rajasthan and Maharashtra. Noted. Then wind energy. Wind energy is extracting from the airflow. Wind energy is extracting from the airflow using wind turbines. It is one of the cheap and pollution free. Very cheap and pollution free. And wind energy was mostly found in our country or Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra and other places, etc. And the wind energy was the fourth largest installed wind power capacity in the world in our country was India is one of the fourth largest installed wind power capacity in the world. Noted. Listen here carefully, students. First I explain conventional energy. Conventional energy is known as non-renewable energy and it is containing thermal power and nuclear power. Thermal power station, nuclear thermal power stations I explain, and nuclear power station Tata Atomic Research Corporation and National Thermal Power Corporation I explained you. And noted, and first nuclear power station was established in Tarapur near Mumbai, noted in 1969. Next, non-conventional energy resources. Non-conventional energy resources, otherwise known as renewable energy resources. It is containing hydropower, water, generated from the water converted into hydroelectricity. I explained, noted, and National Hydropower Corporation. I told you, located at Faridabad. It is generated from the rivers and other waters. It is hydropower generated. Hydro means water. Noting. Solar energy. I explained this is one of the renewable energy. Solar energy. If it is photovoltaic, it converted into sunlight into electricity. It is directly using a photovoltaic. Noted. And it is domestic purpose and industrial purpose. It is thermal energy were used and solar energy was used for the purpose of water heaters, refrigerators, street light, cooking, etc. The mostly found in solar energy production areas are Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Rajasthan and Maharashtra. Next, final one, wind energy. Wind energy is extracting from airflow using wind turbines. It is a very cheap and pollution free also. The mostly found wind energy generated areas are Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, and there are in India fourth largest installed wind power capacity in the world. Students, next, biomass energy. Biomass energy obtained from biodegradable materials like animal dung, kitchen waste, water iron, water plant, agricultural waste and city waste, etc. It is one of the cheap source of energy. It is used for domestic purpose. Biomass energy used for domestic purposes in our country. Next, tidal energy. Tidal energy is produced more and more megawatts, and ocean energy divided into two. One is ocean tides, another one is ocean waves. Gulf of Cambay is more and more tidal energy were produced. It is in our country. Gulf of Cambay was more and more energy, tidal energy were produced area, and Rann of Kutch and Sundarbans, more and more tidal energy were produced. The Sundarbans 1000 megawatt energy were produced, tidal energy were produced in Sundarbans. Noted. Next one, wave energy. Wave energy in our country, wave energy was estimated 40,000 megawatt. It is one of the power plant in our country at Vidinjam near Thiruvananthapuram. Vidinjam is near Thiruvananthapuram. Vidinjam is near Thiruvananthapuram. Another wave energy plant was established in our country, and Andaman plant is Andaman Nicobar Island also established wave energy. Noted. Next one, industries. In our country, industries were established many places. Raw material converted into finished products known as industries. Raw material converted into finished products is known as industries. Industries are classified into three. One is agro-based industries. Second one is mineral-based industries. And third one is forest-based industries. Industries were divided into three. One is agro-based industries. Second one, mineral-based industries. Third one, forest-based industries. First one, we are going to see agro-based industries. Agro-based industries, raw material converted into agriculture, particularly in agriculture sector. In agriculture products were converted, agriculture products were the raw material. Converted into finished products known as agro-based industries. The agricultural sector, agricultural products, the raw materials converted into finished products known as agro-based industries. First one, cotton textile industry. This first cotton mill was established in 1818 in our country. First cotton mill was established in 1818. It is one of the traditional sector. Initially, the more and more textile goods like handlooms, handicrafts, and power looms were established. In our country. Cotton textile industries were provided more and more employment opportunity were provided. Millions of people were appointed as workers in the cotton textile industries. 1719 textile mills were located in our country, out of which 188 is the public sector. Public sector 188 textile mills located in our country. Public sector means government owned company, government owned industries. And second one, 147 cooperative sector 147 textile mills were located in our country, and 1284 private sectors located in our country. Noted, India is the third largest cotton textile industries in the world. Noted, India is the third largest cotton textile industries in the world. Noted, Maharashtra is one of the major cotton textile industries were located in Maharashtra. And in Maharashtra, humid climate and good market facilities and also transport facilities were available in Maharashtra, particularly in Mumbai. The major cotton textile industries were located in Mumbai. All the textile industries were located and established in our country. So Mumbai is known as Manchester of India. Manchester of India. Mumbai is known as Manchester of India. And also in Tamil Nadu, Coimbatore is more and more cotton textile industries were located, and textile mills were established in Coimbatore. So Coimbatore is known as Manchester of South India. South India. And also the textile in Tamil Nadu, the more and more textile industries were located in Karur, Erode, and Tirupur also. Karur, Erode, and Tirupur. More and more textile industries were located, textile mills were located in Tamil Nadu. Note it. Today I explain what and all the topic, boys and girls. Listen here. Biomass energy and tidal energy, wave energy industries. Industries are divided into three. One is agro-based industry, second one is mineral-based industry, and third one is forest-based industry. Agro-based industry, today these are cotton textile industries. Cotton textile industries established in 1880. It is one of the traditional sector like that. Handlooms, handicrafts, power looms were established. The more and more employment opportunities were provided in the cotton textile industry. It was totally 1719 textile mills were located in our country, and out of which 198 was the public sector and 147 was the cooperative sector. 1284 was the private sector industries were located. Maharashtra was one of the suitable place for the cotton textile industries. Maharashtra, more and more cotton industries were located. It was one of the humid climate conducive for everywhere in Maharashtra, and good market facilities and transport facilities were available in Maharashtra. So Mumbai is located in Maharashtra. Mumbai was the Manchester, India, and because of more and more cotton textile industries were located, and Coimbatore in Tamil Nadu was Manchester, is the Manchester, South India. So in Tamil Nadu, more and more textile mills is there. Industries were located in Karur, Erode, and Tirupur. Also noted. Okay then, see you tomorrow. Bye.